Hey everyone, in today's tutorial I will be showing you how to sew a perfect neckline for your Salwar Kameez. Let's get started. First, trace the neck pattern onto the canvas and cut it out. Stick the glue side of the canvas to your fabric as shown. Cut an extra 1 inch from the bottom of the fabric. Sew the edge with a 0.25-inch stitch. Trim the excess fabric and notch the middle of both the kameez neckline and the neck piece. Step 2. Attaching the neckline. Place the neck canvas piece on top of the kurti neckline. Sew it with a 0.5-inch stitch. If you attach it directly, you may notice a small gap of about ½ an inch. To avoid this, first attach the neckline piece from the center, sew from the middle to the left, then from middle to the right. This ensures a smooth and even neckline. Notch around the curve and flip the piece to the wrong side. Sew along the center stitching line. This will make it easier to turn the piece. After that, top stitch it. For the back neckline, repeat the same steps for the back, but don't top stitch it yet. We will do that after sewing the shoulders. So for sewing the shoulder seams, align the piece, lay the back piece of the kameez flat with the right side facing up. Place the front piece on top, aligning the shoulder seams, ensuring the right sides are all together. Tuck the front shoulder edges underneath the back neck canvas for a clean finish. Stitch across the shoulder seam, securing the layers together. Fold the seam allowance towards the back and top stitch along the back neckline for a neat appearance. Press the shoulder seams to one side and sew. Adding darts to the back. Trace the dart markings onto the back of the kameez, fold along the center of the dart and sew the slant line as you can see here. Repeat the same for the second dart on the other side. Preparing the sleeves. Identify the front and back side of the sleeve. The deeper curve is the front. Make a small notch or mark to remember the front side. Double fold the sleeve hem. First fold by 0.25 inch, then again by 0.5 inch. Sew along the edge to secure the hem. I am adding lace here for extra detail. You can add it too or just skip it. Attaching the sleeves, match the front of the sleeve to the front armhole and back to back. Place the right sides together and sew the sleeve to the armhole, aligning the curves. closing the sides and finishing the hem. With the right sides together, sew the side seams of the kameez starting from the sleeve edge down to the hip line or about 1 inches from the shoulder. Now double fold the side slits and sew to secure. Finally hem the bottom edge of the kameez to finish the garment. And that's it, your Salwar Kameez top is almost ready. We'll move on to sewing the bottoms, which is Salwar, and how to attach the pockets. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more sewing tutorials. So this is the pattern, one side is for the front and one side is for the back. So we have two pieces like this. First, mark and notch for the front so that you don't forget which is while sewing. Joining the crotch. Now place both pieces right sides together, front on front and back on back. Sew the crotch line on both sides. If you are using a gusset for extra comfort, sew one gusset piece to the front crotch and the other to the back crotch. Just like as shown, gusset is totally optional. Preparing the bottom patti. Take the bottom patti of your shalwar. Take canvas, cut it half the width. Now place this prepared patti on the wrong side of the shalwar bottom and sew it as shown. Flip it over and top stitch it neatly from the right side. Now sew the side seams. If you are using gusset, join the gusset properly. Now for the waistband, measure your waist round and subtract 4 inches from it. Example, if your waist is 36 inches, cut 32 inches of elastic. I am using 1 inch wide elastic here. Overlap the elastic ends and join them securely. Fold the top of your shalwar by 0.5 inch to the inside. Insert the elastic, stretching it slightly while sewing. Once the elastic is attached all around, top stitch it from both the top and bottom edges about 0.25 inch from both sides. This keeps the elastic flat and secure. And that's it, your shalwar is ready. Hope this tutorial was helpful. Let me know in the comments if you have any doubts, and don't forget to share your creations with me.